Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this rare king swirl pufferfish in Fish It Roblox. So the king swirl pufferfish is a beautifully colored sought after rare fish in Fish It, and this fish is usually found in common or mid-tier ocean. In here, I got the fish, actually got it on the Lost Isle here. So if you want to get to know the exact location, you can just follow here. So first you need to make sure that you got these diving gear. If you don't have one, you need to buy it for 75k coins, and after that you can just go swim under here on the Lost Isle until you see the treasure hole. So you need to go down in here, so just dive until you got you see this door right here. So once you enter the door, you'll be on the treasure hole, and this is where I found the king swirl pufferfish. And for the road, I use the steampunk road previously, so you can just try your luck in here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.